What is going on, guys? All right, it is live day, and I don't know how smart it is, but I'm going to try to do a live from someplace a little bit brighter, a little bit more lighted, and we're going to Disney Springs. So hang on, guys. I gotta get in the truck. Gotta get going. So this is the Winter Gardens 1,000 Trails. Well, it's not 1,000 Trails, it's Encore. But you kind of get the idea. I haven't really been filming this week, and I haven't really filmed around Winter Garden. And it's I guess I would say it's unremarkable. It's just a place to stay. I've been good with that, and it's been good staying here. I'm going to be here for Christmas, and I figured I would just film a little bit on the way out. They've been having parades and other things have been going on for different events. Some I've taken advantage of, some I haven't. I've been busy with other things, but right now it is just a little bit after 4 o'clock. Whether or not I'm going to be able to pull this video off, put it on for the live, I don't know. So but I've got to get driving because I'm about 16 miles away from Disney Springs, and we're headed out, guys. Now I will say there's the pool right there. I will say that Disney Springs should be more lighted, should be brighter, so I might be able to do the live just a little bit later. Being here in Florida, I've had to kind of step up the time a little bit. So that's why these have been Florida edition happy hour lives. See if we can find our way out of here. Get to Disney Springs. All right, I'm driving. Hang on, guys. Oh, I got my Disney cup. I probably won't bring that with me. It is ceramic. And might be a bad idea to bring that with me. So I've got a cup that I'll have for the live. I'm gonna admit it, I didn't even know this was here until driving out. I haven't been driving around the park, so I took a different way out. And kind of a cool little lake with a cypress in it. I don't see any alligators. There's no alligators that I can see anyway. All right, parking is about worse than trying to park at the airport. At least they don't charge you for parking. That's a good thing. I've got to get to level 2. I saw that Disney Springs had a walkway to Disney Springs on level 2. So I think I'm on level 3. Lime, L3. There it is right there. Need to go down. Now, I have not been to Disney Springs yet, but everything you can do at Disney Springs is free. detectors here. And I forget that I'm wearing my bag that I normally have for my motorcycle riding. I do have an emergency knife in there, and I may get stopped. No, sir. Doing good. Oh, yep.
Okay, ma'am. You can go this way. Then you just go all the way down.
Okay, guys, we are in Disney Springs. Made it through security. He did not notice. I do have a knife in my backpack that I use for when I'm riding motorcycles. It's just an emergency knife. There you go. Now we got to see if we can find some place that I can sit, throw this video together, and post it online. And we'll have our live right on down here. Just need to find a good place to do it. Pretty area. I like it. The guy at security was really cool. And we just basically started chatting, and I did unload my bag, but I didn't have to take everything out. And that was a good thing. That is that big balloon that you can ride down here at Disney Springs. We'll fight our way through the bubbles here. I still have to find a place to have the live. We are at Disney Springs. Now, I was here 20 years ago, and this behind you used to be all parking lot. And there was a little kiosk here that charged to get on the island on the other side here. And we're gonna walk over there. But it used to be Pleasure Island, and it was about 25 bucks to go over there. And when you got over there were bars of every kind. You couldn't find some place that you didn't absolutely enjoy, and these bars were done by Disney. Now you want to see what's behind you? It used to be all parking lot. And there you go. It's all stores now. Parking garages, and it's all built up. But all right, let's walk on across. Now, this is an island surrounded by water. And once you got over to the other side, there really wasn't any which direction you couldn't reach and get a drink. Unlike Disney from California, they definitely had alcohol here. It's all different now. We're going to take a walk around and see if there's anything left of Pleasure Island. Oh, Raglan Road. Gift shop. Music room. Now, I remember the streets used to have cobblestone. Everywhere they went, it was cobblestone. The cobblestone is all gone now. At least I don't see it right now. We'll walk over here. Famous fish and chips. Smells good. I don't know if any of the buildings here are as old as I remember, but this would have been very similar. Each one of these doors went to a different type of bar. Now a bakery. This is a hat shop over here. And another hat shop. But if you could imagine a bar done Disney style, Pleasure Island it was. None of the cobblestone streets are still here. You have to remember this was the 90s, and there was no cost for parking. You could park, walk over, pay 25 bucks and get in. Oh, I see the aqua cars over here. Amphicar lot. He just came in. Pretty cool. You see the lake through that way. Now, the funny thing is I remember it. Really didn't see the lake. You only saw the streets going down. Each one of the buildings was a different type of bar. They had discos, they had country western. And way down at the far end down here, I remember there was a comedy club and a dinner theater. Now what was cool, as original Disney style, that I did go to the dinner theater, and all the knickknacks and everything, it was sit up Victorian style, and all the knickknacks and everything that were around the room were all for sale. If you picked them up, there was a price tag on the bottom of them. Again, couldn't really tell you how old some of these buildings are. This one says 1901 at the top. And that's the Edison? The Edison. That, yeah. Might have been the dinner theater, I don't know. Looks like there's a bridge going off the island. So that may be the end of the island. Stage is gone. Still pretty cool. Yeah, it is. Again, all the cobblestone is gone. Looks like a steakhouse there. And I remember it was just crowded on the streets, and there wasn't a direction that you couldn't reach and not have alcohol in your hand. And I will say this was my younger days. I was there with a buddy. We had just driven a coach to Lakeland, and I was very inebriated the last time that I saw any of this. All very different now. But there you go. I need to get someplace for a live, throw this video up, and we'll see you guys in just a minute. Hang on, guys. I guess we'll go off over here. Or maybe we could look for a live over here. Very cool. I do miss the old cobblestone. Had that in the background a couple weeks ago for the live. Closed right now due to weather, but that is, I believe, the world's largest balloon. I don't know exactly how many people that gondola can hold, but it's a lot. Seem to be untying it. He's over there untying that side. I don't think they're opening it up. But that is big. Very cool. I'm still looking for a... I may do the live from the same place that I did the live before. We'll see. Now, I am just putting today's video together for the live in just a couple hours. And, you know, when you're not paying attention for very long, all of a sudden that thing goes up. So, way up. There you go. I just happened to turn around and look, and the balloon was gone. Where did it go? I looked both directions, and then I looked up. Oh, there it is. Very cool. That's going to be in the background for tonight's live, so very cool. I see drones or balloons. I see balloons. I wonder if I should report that. I will say I'm Dave. And I'm doing Dave things. I have to thank Gary for the hat. Thanks, Gary.